All right, guys, so my first stop of the day is going to be the brand new Grand Avenue Arts and Bunker Hill Station, which you see right here. So I'm just gonna go to all three of the stations today. This station is located on the corner of Hope Street, which is right here, and 2nd Street. I'm just gonna make my way right over here to the station, and we're going to take a look around. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this station has 3 levels. The ground level, which is right here, and then there is the underground level, which is where the trains stop, where you catch the trains at. And then there is the upper level, which is up there. So we're going to start off on the ground level, and then I'm going to go up to the upper level, and then finally I'm going to make my way down to the they call it the concourse, where you catch the trains at. So you can see a nice shot there of the US Bank Tower and all these other surrounding buildings. Here is the brand new sign for the station, Grand Avenue Arts, Bunker Hill. And now I'm just going to do a 360, just like this. They're working on something there across the street. I don't know what, but it's keeping up a lot of noise. So just in case you hear something in the background, that's what that is. But now I'm going to make my way inside of the station here. The outside here looks kind of like a small building of some kind, as you can see here. Right there, Grand Avenue Arts, Bunker Hill. You catch the A and the E line. Just gonna squeeze through. I've already tapped my car like 2 times. There's the time. It's 8:08 a.m. I wake up pretty early to start this, just so that I'll have enough time to get to all the stations before the afternoon hits. We have this updated rail map by Metro, showing all of the new stops for the extended line. So here's the blue line right here, or as they call it now, the A line, and it goes all the way up to APU, Citrus College, a hell of a long ways. I think in total it's about 50 miles now. Yeah, and it takes about 2 hours. This is a 2-hour ride from downtown Long Beach all the way to APU Citrus College. Here's that map. Here is a kind of similar map, except for this one has like the entire bus and rail system of the LA Metro. Now I'm gonna turn around. So this station has 2 different ways that you could come inside. You could come inside from this side that I came in, or you could come in from this side. We're still on the street level here. And as we walk in this direction, you can see that we have 2 sides of elevators. All of these elevators go to the exact same place. We have some over here, and we have some over here. If we look on the panel, we have Bridge to Grand Avenue, that's upstairs. We have Street, which is where we are, and then we have Concourse, which goes underground to the trains. But anyway, when you first walk into the station, this is what you're going to see. And then from this point, you can pick one of these elevators, and you can either go up to the bridge, or you could go underground to catch a train. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head up to the bridge. We're going to take a look around up there. And then I'm going to come back downstairs to the concourse where you would catch the train at. So here I am. I just got off on the bridge level of the Grand Avenue Arts and Bunker Hill Station. It looks just the way it did downstairs, with elevators on this side and elevators on this side. And if we walk in this direction, we have some signage right here. We have 2nd Street right there. This is going to be Hope. And then over here on this side, we are going to have Flower Street. And that is right here. This whole entire thing here is going to be Flower. And now I'm going to make my way to the bridge and show you guys where that leads to. So you're just going to walk outside. You can see here Grand Avenue Arts, Bunker Hill. They're going to go in this direction. What's up?
Hey.
How you doing?
Good. Working hard.
It's very hot. Y'all should stay cool.
Thank you. You finding everything okay?
Yes.
Awesome.
I have to do this station and the other 2 new ones.
Oh, cool.
On historic Broadway and Little Tokyo.
Exactly. Check
Yeah.
it all out. Check the artwork out. The piece downstairs, 1.3 million. Paul Housing, I believe that's his last name. He made the painting or the installation piece, and it's a nice piece. Very expensive.
I think this whole entire system took, it was 10 billion, and then it was like 10 years to do this whole thing.
It looks nice. Do you like it?
Yes. I haven't been on the stations yet, but I do plan on taking a train to they extend it to Pasadena.
Yeah. Pasadena, straight to Long Beach, East Los Angeles, all the way to downtown Santa Monica. No transfers. It's lit.
Yeah. It's nice. Well, thank you. What's your name?
Nigel.
This channel is my YouTube.
What's it called? What's the name?
Optimus Jack.
Optimus Jack?
Yeah.
That's fire. That's a dope name, man.
That's the only thing I could think of.
I like it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. Yeah, Lord Nigel on Instagram. You heard? Jersey.
All right, see ya.
Later, man.
So now we're going to make our way across the bridge here. If you walk and you walk, you're eventually going to come up to this right here. And I'm going to show you guys what this is. All right, so now I have arrived to where the bridge takes you. And where does it take you? It takes you right next to the Broad Museum. Right here off of 2nd and Grand Avenue. So just in case you're ever looking for your station, remember, all you have to do is just come right here next to the Broad Museum and then walk straight down, and that is going to lead you to the Grand Avenue Arts Bunker Hill Station.
Service alert. Emergency repairs now in progress. Track at Pico Station.
So I've made it down to the concourse level underground, and I step off the elevator, and the first thing I see is this absolutely enormous piece of artwork here that they installed when they built the station. I don't know what it is though. I think that's like the moon right there, or 2 moons. or whatever, but it looks great. So as you step off the elevator onto the underground level of this station, you're gonna step off and you're gonna come to this right here, and then you're gonna walk this way. It's very quiet in here. There's like an echo when you talk. Hello there, Mr. What is your name?
You can call me Mr. L.
Oh, Mr. L. Well, how are you doing today?
Good.
I'm doing good too. Do you know what that's called?
I don't know, but it's a mosaic. I know it's a mosaic, but I don't know what's it called though, to be honest.
But it's pretty big. I was looking at it.
It is very big.
Oh, well, nice to meet you, Mr. Yes.
Or you can call me Mr. L.
Mr. L, okay.
Yeah, Mr. L.
But thank you.
You're welcome.
You're gonna get off the elevator and you're gonna walk down this little path, and you're going to come to this big wide open space. This elevator right here leads you down more to where the trains are. So you're gonna come in here and you can take either one of these escalators, and you can see right here, this is where the train stop. We have Long Beach, Santa Monica on this side, and we have Azusa and East LA on that side. So here's one escalator. We're gonna walk this way. We have some artwork around hanging right here on the wall. Here's the elevator that goes downstairs as well. And then you can walk over here. And this is just another escalator that takes you down to the other side of the platform. Just like this. So I think I'm gonna just head down here. Take a quick look.
Service alert. Emergency repairs now in progress. Trains every 20 minutes and share one track at Pico Station.
On this side here, this is where you would catch the train to get to Long Beach and Santa Monica. And then on this side over here, these are the trains that go to Azusa and East LA. It says right there, Azusa, East Los Angeles, and Long Beach and Santa Monica. Ain't nothing too fancy, just a regular platform about 100 feet underground. We also have this handy little sign here that names every stop that these trains go to.
Santa Monica, West Side is now arriving. Please step back and allow customer.
Service alert. Emergency repairs now.
Alrighty, I have arrived at my second destination of the day, historic Broadway station. And here is a look at it. And this station is located on the corner of 2nd Street and Broadway. There's a signage. Here go the tap card machines. And right above there we have the schedules and departure times of the A&E line. Come like this. Here goes the elevator. Walk along the side here. Same thing we just saw. Departure times, tap card machines, an emergency intercom. Some more signage. Come inside right here. Here's the entrance. So you're gonna come in right here. And then you're, what's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
Man, I'm doing all right, bro. What, you vlogging or something?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. I fuck with vlogs, bro. I always thought I wanted to do one myself.
You should.
I should, bro. I'm from Florida. I'm actually here on vacation, bro. I've traveled a lot, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah?
But yeah, where you from?
Out here?
Sweet. Oh, LA?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Does it get hot like this out in Florida?
Yeah, it does, bro, but it's a drag here because, like, whenever in Florida, so it gets hot, but in the nighttime, it stays hot because it's so humid, right? So there's water in the air, so the water in the air stays hot, but here it's dry, so when it gets cold, there's no more sun to keep it hot, so it gets fucking cold as fuck at nighttime here. It's weird.
Oh yeah.
It's not like that in Florida. It just stays hot all night long, like 80, 90 degrees all night long.
This temperature, we're supposed to be used to this, but every time it comes, it's like, fuck, it's too hot out here, but.
All right, bro. It's nice meeting you, B.
You too. Take care.
You too, man.
So the entrance to the station is right here. You're gonna come inside, and then right in front of you, you're gonna have the elevators that are gonna take you down to catch the trains. And then right here would be the escalators that you would catch that would take you underground as well. Over here we have another entrance. It seems as if all these stations have two entrances. One right there, one right here.
Service alert. Emergency repairs now in progress. Trains every 20 minutes and share one track at Pico Station.
As you get to the bottom of the escalator, you are going to see this artwork right here. I believe that all of this was installed when they were building the stations, but we have like some paintings or some pictures right here, along with some information about the each painting. Ralph Gilbert, performance on the streets of LA 2023.
We're on this ride together, so please don't play.
And then you're going to come in this direction where you are going to take one more escalator down. Then once you get right here, you're gonna have another one of the system maps on this side. Elevators right in front of you. And then you're gonna turn right here. Some more departure times. Some more maps. Maps everywhere. We're gonna come like this, and we are met with this, with another gigantic, enormous piece of artwork right here. So we have this here. I am not too sure what these are supposed to be. Looks like maybe the sun. When you get close enough to this, you can see that all of this is little tiles of mosaic. Very cool and very creative how this artist managed to create this piece here.
Service alert. Emergency repairs now in
So now I'm going to head down the stairs here. So the first thing that you're going to notice when you come down to the platform here at historic Broadway Station is this artwork that is along the wall here, right where the trains pull up. And each one of these has a saying. This one says, "Gonna trouble the water, make it rise angry till it leaves its mark." And then you move on to over here. This says, "Place requires living, not just settlement to be home in history." And then this one right here says, "It even billows when weathered, still beckoning to the huddled messes." And then it just keeps on going from there. And if you come across the platform here, it's on this side as well. So just something that they added in here to make this station look a little bit less dull. Long Beach and Santa Monica side right here. And the Azusa and East LA side over here. So depending on where you're going, that's the side you're gonna stand on. And it's pretty much the same thing. We have trains, we have an escalator, which is right here, and stairs, and the elevator straight ahead that's gonna take you back up to Broadway. And that is, that's pretty much historic Broadway Station. I have finally arrived at my final destination, Little Tokyo Arts District Station. Final stop of the day. Let's get right into it. This is on the corner of 1st Street and Central. 1st Street and Central. And here it is. Little Tokyo Arts District. Same old thing we've seen at the other stations. This is the entrance. Do you come inside? Going to be greeted by a big gigantic elevator. And then we have escalator and stairs on this side. We have escalator and stairs on the other side. And you can see the platform right there. So I'm gonna go on ahead and head down here. All right, so you get to the bottom of the stairs, and then you have to go down one more flight of stairs. So if you look like this, you can kind of see the station in its, or the platform in its entirety. And here we are, Little Tokyo Arts District Station. Same thing as before, Long Beach, Santa Monica on this side, Azusa and East LA on this side. And just like historic Broadway, we have some artwork that is alongside the wall here where the train stops. So we have this. Do we keep on going? We have this right here. We have this one. We have this one. This one, that one, that one. And then we turn around and same thing on the other side. Artwork, 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 artwork.
Attention passengers, good night. All trains are turning back at 1:30. All trains are turning back at